Hey guys and gals, Von Baden back. We are getting closer to this being finished. I have added the rivets. If you had seen the video that I did on how to make EVA foam rivets, that's all these are. EVA foam, except for these spots here. I gotta glue those in, and I just haven't done that yet. But this video is not on a how to do the rivets, but it is to deal with making a strap for this. Just real quick on the rivets, all I did was, like in the video before, I scuffed up the top of the Chicago screws, used some E6000, E8000 I think it is. Glue, you can use crazy glue, whatever. Put a little bit on the head of the screws and then stuck the EVA foam rivets on it to glue it down. So those are done for the most part. So for this next part of it, I wanted to do a strap that will prevent that from happening, number one. That'll go around the arm. This is a little bit too long for what I need. I'll end up trimming it down. But basically what will end up happening is this will get attached to the foam, which will pull the foam down on the arm, keeping that more rigid so I don't have this trapdoor thing going on. Now, I know what you're wondering. You're wondering, well, how are you going to make that look like that's buckled? We're going to use our friend EVA foam. And that's what this video is about, is how to make an EVA foam strap, buckle, all that fun stuff. So what I'm going to do with this strap, I'll end up grunging it up and whatnot afterwards, but I will get it attached to the gauntlet, leaving myself some overhang to hang down. This I will end up banging it up using the round Dremel bit to give it more of a hammered look, grind down some of the edges. And I wanted it to be kind of rough looking cuts so it wouldn't look like it was all pristine and beautiful. But basically what I'm going to do is take my strap and I'm going to feed it through the EVA foam after I've dremeled this and made it look all grungy. I am going to the word is right on the tip of my tongue. I'm going to basically poke holes in this, a couple, and put eyelets in it. I think that's what they're, rivets, eyelets, openings, kind of like your shoelaces openings. I can't think of the name of it. I'm having a brain fart. That's what you get when you're stuck in the house with 3 little kids for days, weeks, it's been years. It might have been. But anyways, so that's what the belt buckle will look like. Now, the rivets that I'm talking about, the holes, will need, like every belt, a piece that comes through. I don't know if you can see that real well, but this will get ground down, make it a little bit more beat up and roundish, and I will stick that through one of the eyelets and then glue it down to the face here and glue it into the inside of the hole of the eyelet on this side, because this is the side that no one's going to see. And then probably do 1 or 2 more eyelets just for selling more of the fact that this is a belted strap, a buckled strap, not a belted strap. I need some coffee or something. Anyways, so once that is done and the buckle is permanently attached. On the underbelly, where the buckle is, or maybe a little bit further back, I'll have to see how well this buckle sits on here once it's all said and done. I will take some Velcro, glue it to the inside of the strap, and then on the other end, wherever I end up cutting it off, I will glue some Velcro onto the pretty side of the strap so I can Velcro it closed, and then I will have my belt on my arm, the buckle, and then it will give more of the appearance that is a buckled up gauntlet on there. Truly love how this came out. I think I want to do some cloth or something over this, maybe attach it to the glove. I don't know. Just because that seems really open. Maybe I will just go with a long sleeve shirt. I don't know. But I haven't decided on that part of it yet. But I wanted to cover this with you guys, and I'll more than likely, with this buckle and this, I'll do more of that antique gold solid on it for this part of the entire build, so it stands off on its own. And pretty much it on this. I mean, it's not a hard thing to do, but I thought you guys might be interested in how I was thinking about making the buckle, and that is my plan. Let's take this, shave down the edges, make it a little bit more rounded, then ding it up real good with the rounded drum bit to give it more of a hammered look. Same thing with the little tab. I don't know if that actually has a name or not. Maybe something I Google, but I'm not going to do it right now. So hopefully you found something interesting in this video, and if so, give me a thumbs up on the video. If this is your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I put out a video every week. I'm hoping to start producing more since things are coming down a bit. Be able to start getting some more materials to do more builds, to do more of this, to do more of that. Plus it's getting warmer out, so I can do more stuff in my workshop outside. So stay tuned for those as well. So thanks, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Get out of here.